What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time, but here we are again. So thank you for watching. For those that don't know me, my name is Gus and this is Cali Rebuildables. Okay guys, so it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but as you can see back here, like I said in my previous videos, the Jeep is gone, but finally back. Here's the Chrysler 300. I haven't touched it at all, so it's still in the same state as you guys last seen it. So today, this video, I'm gonna try to get this out, pop this thing out. So if you have something similar on your cars, so if you have some similar damage on your car, well, we're gonna learn together. Like I said, I've done this before just a little bit, but on my 325i, but it's been a while, and like I said, I'm not an expert. I don't even know if I did it right the first time. So, but what I always say is it's gonna look better than when it looks right now. So yeah, and hopefully get to sand it more completely and repaint it pretty soon. Okay, so as you can see, the damage is not that bad. I mean, there's worse, but it is kind of bad. So I can't really do nothing unless I remove the rear wheel. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna get the jack lifted and do something on the wheel so it won't run back, but yeah, you'll get it. I need to get that wheel off. Okay guys, and this is the jack that I'm using, and I'm using one of these sockets that goes in there perfectly, and then I'm going to use the impact to lift it. It's a lot easier and it's going to save you guys time. So let me show you guys. So there it is. That was fast. That thing's where it has to be. Have the wheel underneath just in case that fails. It's gonna land on the rim, which is pretty much scratched. I don't really care about that. I'm getting new rims, but it's better I have to have a scratched rim than having a problem. But I'm still gonna go get a jack stand and put it somewhere right here too. Okay, so there I have a jack stand also. So now we could get behind this and try to push this out. We'll see how this goes. So the main tool that we're gonna be using this video is gonna be this one. So this is hydraulic equipment kit. That's what it is. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be using. I bought this at Harbor Freight, 8,000 pound capacity hydraulic equipment. So like I said, this is what we're gonna be using. This thing was like 150 bucks, and honestly, you're gonna like it, because I like it, and it comes with all these attachments and stuff like that. So I'm gonna figure out what's gonna be needed to get that dent out, or at least pull it the most I can, and then bondle it. But yeah, this is gonna be the main tool, guys. Okay, so I have this hydraulic press thing right here. I don't know the exact name, but these are some of the attachments. I got some of the small ones because not sure which ones are the ones that I'm gonna need, but I'm for sure gonna need this one. So let me try to get something going on right here, and I'll turn the camera back on. Okay, so I kind of got something planned out. So these are the attachments that I'm using, and I'm using this big one so you could have enough grip on that bolt right there that's holding that arm. So I mean, I'm not gonna put that much pressure because this isn't that strong, but it's gonna go somewhere like that. So this section is gonna push out that way and try to bring this back to its original position. But I'm gonna close the door, that way I could have like a point where I have to be close. I have to be close enough to this line right here, so that's gonna help me out a lot. That's gonna help out a lot to have the door closed, and that should be enough. I'm gonna probably put another attachment right here in the front, but we'll see. Saw that pushed out a little bit, but this plastic's in the way, so I'm gonna have to probably get rid of this plastic here. Let me try it one more time.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video description.
Okay, as you can see, it's pushed out a little bit more. Now I have to come back here, find a way back there to get behind here and push this section out. Of course, I won't be using this attachment. I'm most likely gonna have to use where is it at? Oh, here it is, this one. So I'm bringing the camera up closer so you guys can see. I'm trying to push out this to be closer to the door. So hopefully this helps. You can see it's closer now. So I'm gonna remove it and put it somewhere up here and hit every section right here. Just push it out the most I can. Okay guys, so this is where we are at the moment. As you can see, everything looks better than what it was. I still need to push this side out a little bit more, and a little bit right here, but maybe also it needs all the little gaskets and things right here that's keeping the door to stick out a little bit more, because right now there's no gaskets, no seal, so door goes all the way in, it goes further in, so I still need to put those to keep it somewhere around there. That's where it's gotta go. So you can see right here we're too close, so maybe I need to hit it back right here. Okay, so check it out from this angle. Everything seems to be okay besides this. If you see it from this angle, this thing's sticking out more than what it has to, so I'm gonna have to hit that thing back down a little bit more with the sledgehammer. Where's the sledgehammer? Can't find it. Had it here. Oh, it's over here. With that hammer. But overall, it's looking better. I think I pretty much got it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section, like always. Of course, I'm gonna have to bundle this, but first I gotta sand this thing down, bundle it, let it dry, and start molding it with the sander also. And that's gonna be pretty much it for this side. I mean, that's the worst part, like I said, but as you can see, I kind of got it, most of it, to a point where it's workable. Besides that, gotta sand that section, maybe the bumper. I don't want to sand the bumper. I'm just gonna sand that section right there, maybe a little bit right here. So I'm gonna paint fender, the whole door, the whole back door, and the whole quarter panel. I mean, and the top strip right there too, jet black. So yeah, I'm also in the market of some 22s. I saw some 22s because the tires are pretty bad. As you can see, tires are bad. This one's kind of okay, but still bad. But these ones are the worst ones. Look, they've been on the sun for a long time already. So if I take this on a trip, I'm pretty sure they're gonna start, you know, releasing pieces of the tire and just send them. So yeah, I found some 22s with 90% tires, 95% life left on the tires for $550. So hopefully I can get them for like $450 or $500, and they're black. So they're pretty similar to the Jeeps, the one I had on the Jeep, but we'll see. This is gonna look pretty cool with the black rims. At least that's what I think. But we will see. Like always, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Also, one thing that I want to point out, guys, is always wear a mask. You didn't see me wearing it, but I was wearing it. You can see it's pretty dirty right there. Can't really see, but you can see all the black stuff that it catches inside the filter. So I mean, always wear a mask. So yeah, let me continue working on this. Guys, sorry for the wind, but this is where we are at. It's completely sanded down. I sanded it down with the 80 grit sandpaper and the sander, the palm sander. So there's bare metal. So I want to get to, you know, as far down as I could, so I could start applying the Bondo. And I did use the 80 grit, like I said. This is the 80 grit. Where is it at? Oh no, I didn't use 80 grit. I did 120. This one. That's the roughest one they had. So I know there's 80. I just didn't find it, but that's what I'm using, 80 grit. You're gonna need the palm sander, of course, the mask. This is a P95, as you can see right there, P95, and your sanding paper, the Bondo, and your primer filler. So it doesn't have to be Bondo brand, but you know, as long as it says filler, primer filler, that's what you need to fill all those little scratches that the sander or the sandpaper is gonna leave. So yeah, that's what you're gonna need, and I'm gonna start applying some Bondo right there. Try sanding it a little bit once it's dry. What's up, guys? So as you can see, this is where we are at on the Chrysler. Everything is Bondo right now. It still needs more Bondo. needs more bondo, but I'm gonna let that thing dry. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna call it a day. He's gonna put the tire back on, clean everything up out here, go back inside and eat, and most likely hit it one more time tomorrow. So, but for you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, leave your comments. Like I said, I like reading them and replying. So that's it, guys. See you guys in the next one.